Good afternoon, gentlemen, and good afternoon, my old friend, Mr. Timio. This is Marvin. It's an honor for me to stand here instead of some of the company to introduce the company to all of you. The place I stand here is the most important place of Sunward Enterprises. It is our research and development department. Okay, let's go inside. We have more than 600 experienced researchers in this department, and 50 of them is the expert of the rock drilling equipment. Please let me introduce you our Chief Engineer of Rock Drill Equipment, Mr. Liu. 李老师你好。你好。Mr. Liu will introduce our 3D models to both machines which your requirement. This is 3D models of roller drill machine. The model number is 250C. Here is our 3D models of 250H roller drilling rig. We will have a roughly introduction of the rig. Here's our chassis. We have a large torque working motor. It has strong climbing ability. Maximum climbing angle is 20 degrees. The 4 levering out triggers can move independently or in linkage. Quickly levering and high construction stability. And the most important is that we have 3-point floating leveling chassis. It has great self-balancing and good terrain adaptability. Here is our heavy-duty turn structure drilling frame. We have N-shape to cross-section rectangular heavy-duty turn structure, and it has good guidance, accuracy, and strong resistance. And all material we use here is the low-temperature material to suit your low-temperature environment. Here is the most important part, that is our high torque power head. Here we arranged the double plunk motors. It has 2-stage spur gear reduction. It is simple structure but reliable performance. The main shaft is connected to the drilling rod through the rubber flexible shock absorber, which is effective and reduce the load of the drilling frame and the whole machine. The power head also equipped with gear lubrication pump to reduce the oil injection lubrication of key parts such as bearings. And here, let me introduce the main platform structure. All material we use here all is inspected, and the main frame platform is a box-type structure, which is stable and reliable. Okay, let's turn to the 3D models of DTH machine. Here we are. Please pay attention to the monitor. Here is the 3D models of our 250C DTH drill rig. We will have a brief introduction as well. In the chassis part, we have X-shaped working frame. It has high strength and a strong resistance. 4 levering legs move independently. It has excellent ground adaptability and high construction stability. Here is our power systems. The drilling rig is equipped with a motor pump and a diesel pump dual power systems, which can work independently. 2 sets of electric pump for rotation operation. It makes the machine have a high rotation speed, high torque, and high drilling efficiency. When drilling holes and moving machine in short distance, the motor pump system is used to save cost. Compared with the diesel engines, the cost of using electric pump can reduce by nearly 50%. In this part is our hydraulic systems for the machine. This system can adjust the parameters according to the hardness of the rock. In that case, we can save the cost of energy and reduce the wear of the drilling tools. The pipe here is arranged and marked with tests for easy maintenance and replacement. Okay, gentlemen, our trip here is over. Let's move to the production workshop. Okay, gentlemen, here we are. We are in the workshop of drilling rig, rock drilling rig. Okay, as you can see, in my right hand, that is an air compressor belong to Atlas Copco. All our compressor choosing big brand, international brand, such as So Air, Atlas Copco, and Airman. Okay, in my left, that is underground jumbo, using for underground mining and tunnel drilling. It is a huge machine. Okay, let's keep moving. This one is our integrated DTH drilling rig. We have selling a lot of machine all around the world. It is a very stable machine. As I suggested to Mr. Timio, when you drilling small holes or you want to drilling in the edge of the plant, which the land structure is not stable, you can use this machine for drilling. Okay, gentlemen, here is the first detail I want to introduce about our workshop. I want to introduce to you guys. As you can see, every iron spare part here, we have a rubber protection to avoid the arrow and the arrow connected together, which can avoid the damage of spare parts and make sure our machine is quality stable and working well. Okay, let's keep moving. Our producing line can produce more than 26 machines per month. As you can see, our worker is working right now. Okay, let's keep moving. The more we go inside, the more I want to tell you. Every part here, every equipment here have been experienced more than 15 years. As you can see, we put spare parts. Every spare part have its location, okay? And that makes our producing line looks very clean and beautiful. Okay, we can have an overlook about our producing line. That here is the raw material production, and my worker is put the oil of the bone. Okay, here is also I want to tell you every metal parts have protection, have rubber protection to keep every spare part safe. Yeah, later we will go outside for the workshop to check the complete machine. Gentlemen, this is our finished machine, SWDA 165C. It is smaller than your requirement, but it's also similar. Let me introduce you the machine detailedly. Let's start from the operator cable. It is a modern, comfortable, safe, and multi-function cable. And don't worry, afterwards we'll change to Russian type, and we will give you enough guidance to make sure that your worker can use the machine. Okay, let's keep moving. Here is the double motor set here. With these two big motor, we can make sure that the machine have big torque, faster drilling speed. Here is the hydraulic system. As I said in the R&D department, this system can change the parameters of machine automatically according to the hardness of the rock to make sure that this machine can save energy, can reduce the wear of during tours. Okay, let's keep inside. Keep moving. Here is the heating resist system. This one is for the air conditioner. And both sides this is for engine, this is also for the engine. Okay, let's keep moving. Behind, that is an air compressor. This air compressor is from Airman. Airman compressor is a Japanese brand, but I think you prefer Atlas Copco. You can change it as your requirement from Airman, Atlas Copco, and So Air. Okay, we keep moving. This is the cable of the machine. In that side, we can check the engine parts. Let me open it. The engine here, we use Cummins engine. This engine is just for moving. When you have long terms moving of the drilling machine, we use engine power. And when we drilling holes, we use motor. We use electric to save the cost. As you can see, the inside space is very big. So when you do the maintenance job and the repair job, it will be very convenient. And here is the electric controller. Okay. In that machine, we use dry type dust collector. But your requirement is wet type. Don't worry, this dust collector is easy for us, and we have a very experienced system for the dust collector. Here's our rod, big one. This one is 10 meters, but as your requirement, we can change it to 10.5 meter, and we can have 3 drilling pipe put here and change it automatically to make sure that you can drill up to 32 meters depths. Okay, if you have any questions about this rig, you can contact me anytime, and I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, thank you.